A week after taking over, the Congress government led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah carried out the cabinet expansion by inducting 24 legislators inside the Raj Bhavan in Bengaluru at 11:45 am on Saturday. The Karnataka government can have 34 ministers. 10 of them, including Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivakumar, were sworn in on May 20th. The list of MLAs who took oath on Saturday includes Dinesh Gundu Rao, Krishna Bayar Gowda, Ishwar Khandre, Rahim Khan, Santosh Lad, K.N. Rajanna, K. Venkatesh, H.C. Mahadevappa, Bairathi Suresh, Shivraj Tangadi, R.B. Timpur, B. Nagendra, Lakshmi Hebbalkar, Madhu Bangarappa, D. Sudhakar, Cheluvaraya Swami, Mankul Vaidya, and M.C. Sudhakar. Among the 24 MLAs who took oath included as many as 9 first-timers and a woman minister. Security had been stepped up in and around the Raj Bhavan in view of the crowd that would gather to witness the ceremony. 6 Vokkaligas and 8 Lingayat leaders have made it to the ministry. 3 ministers are from scheduled castes, 2 from scheduled tribes, and 5 from other backward communities like Kuruba, Raju, Maratha, Eriga, and Mogavira. In Dinesh Gundu Rao, Brahmins have also got representation in the cabinet. 7 ministers, each are from Old Mysuru and Kalyana Karnataka regions, 6 from Kittur Karnataka region, and 2 from Central Karnataka. An official statement said that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has struck a balance by giving caste and region-wise representation, along with giving due respect to senior as well as junior MLAs. The names of the 24 MLAs were decided after hours of hectic deliberations between Siddaramaiah, Shivakumar and the top central leaders, including AICC General Secretaries K.C. Venugopal and Randeep Surjewala. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and former party chief Rahul Gandhi gave the final nod to the list. The portfolios have not been allotted yet. The Congress secured a landslide victory in the 2023 Karnataka Assembly election, winning 135 of the 224 seats, ousting the BJP from power. The BJP secured a distant second with 66 seats, and the JDS, which had hoped to play the kingmaker, was down with just 19 seats.